Today, me and Dora are going to kidnap Woody Woodpecker 1950.
What? Rosie, you're under arrest for kidnapping Woody Woodpecker 1950. You too, Dora. That's it. Woody Woodpecker is going back home, and you two girls are going to juvenile detention for 3 years. Now let's go.
Dora, I can't believe that you would do something like that. You will be so grounded when you get out in this cell.
Rosie, how dare you kidnap the third version of Woody Woodpecker? That's it. When you leave juvenile detention, you will be grounded for life.